Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Ctd N80 double miter saw. Nice, clean, late model machine. Not a ton of use on this machine. It's powered by two 2-horsepower Balder 208 230 460 volt saw duty motors. Currently wired 230 volts. You do have the overhead hold downs, as well as your rear hold downs as well, for a total of 4 hold downs. As you can see, it's just a really nice clean machine. Very smooth running. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.